is Felipe. I'm a project manager. I come to Taiwan in 2010. Come to Taiwan, I studied a little bit, but I didn't put much effort to learn. So basically, I'm living in Taiwan for 13 years. Yes, 13 years. But I actually started studying Chinese after 9 years living in Taiwan. The teachers, they are quite friendly and easy to talk with. They prepare very nice presentation, and also the class is super well defined, I think. The sharing of culture and also the flexibility, because you can book a class at the time of your convenience. And this I like very much because I'm working, right? So I need to have this flexible time, because sometimes I can do overtime, and booking at the right moment is the best for me. I would say intuitive, yeah, because the class, the way the teacher prepares is intuitive. Enlightening as well, because things that you didn't know before, you start knowing, and this is very interesting. I believe the TutorABC overall is very organized as well. So I like the way they present the website for online classes, yeah. They always say, oh my god, 你的中文进步了很多. So they are quite surprised. And I feel proud of myself. That means I'm progressing, right? There is the expression that you guys say, like, wasai! And this I think is very cool. In the class, I have many Taiwanese friends. I practice with them. But I think the most challenging is going to a convenience store, like 7-Eleven here in Taiwan, or Family Mart, and talking with the clerk, the staff there. So this is a good challenge actually for you to practice and see if people that not used to see you, if they understand you. This will show you if you are really progressing or not. 你好，大家，我是飞利浦，我在 TutorABC Chinese 学中文，所以我要说你们加油，你们都可以学中文，谢谢。